Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make Lollipop paper. First, gather your essential materials like parchment paper, scissors, and Lollipop sticks. Make sure you have a heat-safe surface ready for your candy. It's important to prepare your candy mixture before you begin the paper wrapping process. Having everything organized will make the entire experience much smoother and more enjoyable for you. Now let's get to cutting and shaping the paper. Take your parchment paper and cut it into squares about 3.5 inches by 3.5 inches. Next, fold each square in half to create a distinct crease. This crease will guide you for the next step. Then, make a small, precise cut right at that fold, which is where your Lollipop stick will go through. Once your lollipops are ready, carefully place each warm candy onto the center of a prepared paper square. Gently insert the Lollipop stick through the small cut you made in the paper. Then, carefully press the paper around the lollipop, ensuring it adheres nicely. This step helps create a secure and attractive wrapper for your sweet treat. To finish up, allow your lollipops to cool completely before you handle them too much. Once cool, twist the paper ends tightly around the stick for a neat and secure finish. This not only looks good, but also helps protect the candy. Finally, store your finished lollipops in an airtight container to keep them fresh and delicious for longer.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.